Good morning, everyone. Welcome again, like Don said, welcome to the Mill. I'm excited to have this as part of our Innovation Week. This is a week where we celebrate all the innovation and entrepreneurship that's happening in Bloomington. I mean, we love events like this. I think one of the things that we're trying to do at the Mill is make entrepreneurship and innovation a dinner table topic. The more we can get young folks and students exposed to the entrepreneurial mindset, they may not go on to start companies, and that's fine. But I think it's a really important way to learn how to problem solve, to build action bias, and build the foundation to be leaders in the community.
I don't want you to pitch a business idea for the sake of business ideas. I want that creative juices to flow, that you're starting to go, wait a second, that does bother me. Or wait a second, no one is doing that. Or wait a second, I'm already passionate. I couldn't believe I could make a living doing that. That is where my heart is.
My experience here today has been pretty good. I feel like everybody's collaborating pretty well together. And I think the importance for coming up with solutions in our community is because if we don't collaborate with these things and try to find solutions, there's just going to be a bunch of problems and everybody's just going to be complaining. So it's good to find those solutions and fix what we can.
What I've learned here today is it's kind of new, from a generation point of view. We're actually being able to voice our concerns and voice our ideas instead of being cooped up in a classroom to being told to just, be silent and do our work. And we actually just get to voice our ideas that we've had since we were young, and even newer ideas right at that moment. By being at this event, I'm gaining ideas to better my community here in Bloomington or Ellettsville or wherever Indiana, needs. I feel like I'm helping my state more by bringing more ideas to the table.
My name is Dee De La Rosa, and I am the Assistant Director for Small Business Development for the City of Bloomington. I had a great time with the students today. I think that they have really great, innovative ideas. They also brought up things that I hear a lot from residents and city folk and all of that. So it's good to know that young people are thinking about these greater, larger problems and how to solve them now while they're young. So in the future, they won't have to ask young people to help them solve these problems. I think that Innovation Startup is an amazing program. I wish that when I was a kid, I had something like this to get me thinking about what is possible for the future.
So, hi, I'm Steve Bryan. I'm the Executive Director for the Gail and Bill Cook Center for Entrepreneurship at the Ivy Tech Bloomington campus. We've been part of the STARTedUP Foundation, Innovate Within events for, probably since inception. We obviously want to look at the K-12 space because students have good ideas every day, and they solve problems and they naturally want to take action to do that, and we want to help find a way to make sure there's a process there to make that happen. So Ivy Tech just wants to make sure we're supporting that, which is why we support Innovate Within, and we have since inception, and we're really excited to see it continue to happen here and grow in Bloomington with all the Bloomington schools and certainly in the region that we serve.